Hello everybody, today is Thursday, October the 13th, 2022, and our topic for Picture Dictionary is sea creatures. We have to write, vamos a escribir the definition. We have first the crustacean. Crustacean must live in water, hard covering on the outside of their body, two parts or antennae. Los crustáceos, la mayoría viven en agua, tienen una cubierta dura en el exterior de su cuerpo y dos pares de antenas. For example, the lobster. This is a lobster. For example, the crab. Crab. And the shrimp. Yo sé que nada más lo han visto en cócteles, but this is a live shrimp. 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 Then we have the mammals, los mamíferos. They live on land and in water. Breathe air. Los mamíferos viven en tierra y agua y respiran aire. For instance, blue whale. Blue whale. Dolphins. Dolphins. Killer whale. Killer whale. Killer whale. Seal. Seal. Or the sea lion. Sea lion. Finally, the walrus. Walrus. Then we go with the reptiles. Most live on land, but a few live in water. Hard scales on their skin. La mayoría vive en tierra, pero pocos en agua. Tienen escamas duras en su piel. For instance, sea turtle. The sea turtle. Or for example, a crocodile. Crocodile. Or for example, a sea snake. Sea snake. This is a sea snake. Then we have the fish. Live on water. Fins that help them swim. Viven en agua. Tienen aletas que les ayudan to swim, a nadar. For example, the marlin. I don't know that it's difficult to see, but this is a marlin. We in Spanish call pez espada, but this is a marlin. For example, tropical fish. Todos estos son tropical fish. Dory is a tropical fish. And this one, you know, this is a clownfish. Nemo is a clownfish. Or, for example, shark. Shark is a fish.
And that's all the vocabulary that we are going to see in this unit. Thank you.